While I like Yahoo Finance to do research, Google Finance can be really cool and really fun because you can create portfolios in there. And recently talked with someone, and her husband want to see who is the better trader. They don't have a whole lot of money to start out with. However, they could use Google Finance to make a fake trading account and track their trades over time to see who is the better trader over the course of their portfolio. It's really easy to do. So go to google.com/finance and log into your Google account, and you'll come to a page similar to this. If you go under the Portfolios tab, you'll have the ability to create a new portfolio. We're going to call this example portfolio. And I'm going to create that. Now, once you create that, you can deposit cash into your account, which is really cool in the fact that you're not really using real money. You're just pretending that you're adding cash. So today's the 15th. I'm going to add $100,000 to my portfolio. So now that we have our $100,000 in there, we can actually fake trade on that money. So you can do this as a competition with you and another person or a group of people, and you all deposit the same amount of money on the same day. And then it's going to be a little bit on the honor system because you are the one who's in charge of making your own trades. You can do it with or without commission. But let's say we were going to trade the SPY, which is the major spider ETF that covers the S&P 500. So if we click on that, so an ETF is something that's like a stock, but it tracks the 500 companies in the S&P 500. I add that, and it will actually add the stock exchange that it's coming from and the symbol. You can make a transaction with that, and you can choose whether you're going to buy or sell. And you pick the date that you actually bought or sold, and you can pick the number of shares that you want to buy or sell. So let's say I wanted to take half of my account and buy the Spider ETF. So the math on that would be $50,000, and I am seeing that the Spider ETF is trading at $226.81 currently. So I'm going to take that and divide by 226.81, and I'll find that I can buy about 220 shares at $226.81. So I'm going to add in 220. My price is 226.81. Depending on whether or not you and the other person decides that you want to trade a commission, you can add a commission to that, and then you can make any notes off to the side if you want, and then you can add that to your portfolio. Now, you'll notice that I missed that there was a deduct from cash. Now, you'll notice that cost basis was deducted from my cash, and it shows me how much my overall return and my day's gains would be. So you can make a example account, trade against friends, and compare the results on a certain day to see who won, who lost. Maybe you could make a small bet on the deal. Somebody buys dinner, something like that. That way it will keep you interested in trading. You can also use this to check out some stocks as you're learning it and speculate maybe a little bit, but you should really keep that speculation down to a small percentage of your portfolio. It's recommended that when you first start out, the majority of your money, if you're going to trade for real, is in an index fund.